Okay, let's dive straight into this. I want you to picture a really high-stakes financial game. The crazy thing is, this game is playing out right now, completely hidden in plain sight, sitting right there inside your wallet. Today, in this explainer, we're going to break down the anatomy of just one single transaction to show you exactly how this works.
So picture this. You're standing in line at the grocery store, right? Just a totally normal day. The guy in front of you steps up to the register and he swipes his credit card. He grabs his bags, he leaves. Now it's your turn. You step up, you pull out your card, and you swipe. The machine beeps, but here's the thing. Your card is from the exact same bank as his.
It's got the exact same logo printed right there on the front.
You are both holding literally the identical piece of plastic. But despite starting at the exact same starting line, the two of you are actually hurtling toward completely different financial destinies.
All right, let's fast forward a bit. 10 years later. A single decade is literally all it takes for the trap to spring fully shut. And honestly, it's terrifying how drastically these two paths have diverged over what started as just a simple, everyday trip to the store.
That first guy from the grocery store? Well, he's drowning right now. He's caught in this relentless, suffocating cycle. You've got interest charges compounding silently in the background day after day. You've got late fees stacking up because, life happens and things get in the way. And those minimum payments, they barely even make a dent in the actual principal balance. This is the dark reality of the trap. We're talking chronic stress, sleepless nights, absolutely zero savings. Month after month, year after year, he is literally still paying for groceries he ate a decade ago.
Because here is the brutal underlying truth of it all. You stop being the customer. You become the product. Millions of people swipe their cards every day, genuinely thinking they're leveraging credit to somehow beat the system. But they aren't. Listen, the bank does not care if you hold their card. They are actively banking on your mistakes. The exact second you start carrying a balance, you're feeding a meticulously engineered machine that is designed to extract your wealth, slowly, quietly, until there's just nothing left.
But, there is another path entirely. The winning system. It's used by this small fraction of people who are playing by completely different rules. Here's how it works. Step 1, they swipe. Step 2, they pay the balance in full every single month, without fail. Step 3, they reap the rewards. Suddenly, cashback notifications are lighting up their phones. They get to keep all the points, and they completely starve the bank of any interest. The machine literally stops working against them, and it starts working for them.
Because they completely sidestepped that interest trap, those points start to compound into actual freedom. Out of nowhere, the second person is booking a completely free first-class flight to Paris, right? Sipping champagne that was paid for by the exact same system that was designed to bleed them dry.
Then the next year, they're touching down in Rome. No financial stress, no lingering debt shadowing their entire trip. Just pure, unadulterated leverage over the bank.
And then it's Tokyo. They're traveling the whole world, funded entirely by the very system that traps so many other people. Remember, it was the exact same card, the exact same starting line, but a completely different reality. So here's the ultimate twist in this whole thing. On one side, the person who carried a balance completely surrendered their wealth. They became the product. But on the flip side, the person who paid in full reversed the entire flow of the money. The bank expected to trap them, but instead, they made the bank pay them.
And that is the silent war being fought every single time you open your wallet. Same card, same bank, different rules. The piece of plastic in your hand, it dictates absolutely nothing. The rules you actually choose to play by, those dictate everything. The question really isn't whether credit cards are inherently good or inherently bad. They're not. They are merely tools in a highly optimized machine. The only question that actually matters is this. The very next time you stand at a register and swipe your card, who is making money from whom? Which side of the swipe are you actually on?